It's time for the STEMmy Fest Music Makers. Ron Etkin with stories, songs, and lots of instruments, and Ann Baccato with stories, songs, and lots more instruments. Oran, a bearded white man with dark hair and wide brown eyes, sits on the floor. Anne, a woman with brown eyes and brown hair worn in a long braid, sits next to Oran. Sometimes Oran and Anne play musical instruments, stand up, and dance. Now join Oran and Anne as we find out and sing about how your body can be a railroad train.
Hey, Ann, what are you doing there?
Oh, I'm playing my pandero, and I'm making a train sound.
Pandero? What's a pandero?
Pandero is this instrument from where I'm from.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and in Brazil, we like to play the pandero, and we also like to dance.
What kind of dance?
We like to dance this dance called the samba.
Oh, cool. How do you say that in Portuguese?
I say, danço samba.
Danço samba.
Yeah, that means I dance the samba.
Cool. Can we take a train to dance the samba?
Let's take a train together.
Get on the train?
All right, let's get on the train.
Here we go.
All right. Now, on our train, we're inviting two friends along.
Two friends, okay?
Two friends, a very little one and a big one.
Okay, what's the little one's name?
The little one's name is Kata.
Kata.
Yeah, and we make a very little sound. So let's take out our fingers
Okay.
and make a very little sound on our drum.
Kata.
Kata. We're on the floor.
Can you do that? Show me your finger.
Kata.
Cool.
And now I'll tell you who the big one is.
Okay.
His name is Katum.
Gatum.
And now we're going to make a big sound. So take our full hands out, and we're going to make a big sound on our drums. Katum.
Gatum.
Katum.
Gatum.
And they're both going to come on the train with us.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's try it.
Let's do
Ready?
it kind of slow.
Okay.
Katak, chikatunk, chikatak, chikatung, chikatak, chikatung, choo choo.
Danço samba.
Chikatak, chikatung, chikatak, chikatung, chikatak, chikatung, choo choo. Danço samba. Katak, chikatung, chikatak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danço samba. Katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danço samba. Katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danço samba. Katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danço samba. Woo! I like that. You think we can dance the samba?
I think we can.
I think we can invite my friend who has a little and big part too.
Oh, yeah.
You know who this is?
Yeah.
Go-go. You hear that?
I hear it.
He has a little and a big go-go. So maybe he can say kata and ka.
Katum.
Gatum. Should we dance with agogo and with pandero?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, you ready? Here we go.
So, Oran, now I'm going to show you how to dance the samba.
Woo! I'd love to learn.
All right. So, we're going to use our feet as the instruments. We're going to
Okay.
make sound with our feet. We're going to stomp them. So, first, I'm going to stomp my left foot, and we're going to go kata.
Kata.
And then we're going to stomp. I'm going to stomp my right foot, which is where I'm holding the pandero. And we're going to say katum.
Gatum.
And we're going to stomp them back and forth. Kata.
Chikatung, chikatak, chikatung, chikatak, chikatung,
Choo choo.
And then what do we say? Danzo samba, katak, chikatung, chikatak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danzo samba, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danzo samba, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danzo samba, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danzo samba, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danzo samba, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, choo choo. Danzo samba. Woo! All right. All right. Well, I want to see if we can do the samba with our fingers too. My thumb can say katak, chikatung, chikatak, chikatung, katak, chikatung, katak, chikatung. My fingers can say, like the bell, they can say king, 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 king. Katak, chikatung, Let's say I only dance the samba. In Portuguese, how do you say that?
We say só danço samba.
So danço samba. Here we go. So danço samba, so danço samba. Vai, 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 vai. So danço samba, so danço samba. Vai. So danço samba, so danço samba. Vai, 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 vai. So danço samba, so danço samba. Vai. Well, all I want to do is dance the samba. I don't even want to dance the calypso or cha-cha-cha. You say uh-uh? Uh-uh. So danço samba, so danço samba. Vai, 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 vai. So danço samba, so danço samba. Vai. What is that you're playing there?
I'm playing a shaker that my mom made for me.
Your mom made it?
She made it.
How?
Well, you hear the sound rattling inside are just grains of rice. You could make it yourself. You could put some rice inside a can and you can get your own shaker.
Woo! If you want, you can make a shaker with us and sing So Danzo Samba like this. So danzo samba, so danzo samba. Bye, 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 bye. So danzo samba, so danzo samba. Bye. So danzo samba, so danzo samba. Bye, 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 bye. Ready? So danzo samba, so danzo samba. Bye. Woo! Yeah.
Do you want more music and fun with Oran? Visit www.timbalulu.com. Makerfest and STEMIFest 2021 are brought to you by UNC and the Frank Porter Graham Child Development Institute, the University of Denver Morgridge College of Education, the Marsico Institute for Early Learning, the U.S. Department of Education Office of Special Education Programs Ideas That Work, and Bridge Multimedia.